Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit those notifications, give a like, comment down below, do all that crap. 2 days ago, I posted a video, and actually today, I'm making a video today. But I actually posted the other 2 videos today too. I just posted them. Now I'm wondering, this is what I need you guys to comment down below for. Comment down below, should I dye my hair? I was gonna bleach it and then dye it because it's like that. I'm gonna bleach it and dye it blue. What color should I do? Comment down below. Here's my brother. I have him upside down. There it goes. Say hi to your video.
I'm watching Slogo Man. Subscribe to Slogo Man. He's a great YouTuber. And Jelly and Jordy.
That's his favorite YouTuber.
Obviously, Jelly.
Devin, tell him to subscribe to your channel.
Oh, and subscribe to my channel too.
I'll put it down. I'll put a link down below.
And leave a like on it too. Leave likes.
Leave likes. We got a trampoline. I'm building a pool. I don't know if you could see the dirt, but I'm building a pool over there. I don't know if you could see the dirt, but also I'm getting a new camera. I'm gonna I put that also in the last video. I'm gonna ooh, there, he's starting up the video. Ooh, my dad's starting up his new lawnmower. I want you to see this. Ready? Look how high that thing goes! Holy crap! It turned off because he made it too high. That thing can go fast. Now turned off. Did you see those 2 good wheelies?
I gotta see that.
Yeah, I do too.
It's stalled out. I had a gas on it, so it's stalled out.
Comment down below if you like this lawnmower.
And it's stalled out. That's why I'm out of gas. So my dad's in between popping wheelies and blowing oil and stuff.
He started. Did you see that? Oh my gosh!
Just with our neighbors, and then we I bet you can't get that started up. He got it started up, but he just had to put some gas in it and then get some parts for it. It worked. It's stalling out because we're trying to pop wheelies. It's stalling out.
Now my brother's making videos.
It's stalling out.
Look.
Because we are. We have no gas. And shout out to Deven Tribbett for subscribe to him and leave a like on him. And hit that bell.
So that's it for today's vlog. Bye. See ya. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like and comment.